Taco shells. Now that's really a bit of a play on words. Taco spice with shell pasta, all in one pan. Let's cook. Good things always start with onion for flavor and texture. Half an onion will do. Chop that up fine. Some oil into the pan. And add the onions. A quarter of a red bell pepper, because I don't like green, but suit yourself. Chop that up. And into the pan. This is going to be a one-pan wonder. Just keep adding stuff until it's done. For 2 servings, I'm using half a pound of lean ground beef. And add that to the pan. And break it up. And brown it on all sides. This looks a bit pale because it is actually a mixture of ground beef and pork. It was on sale at the grocery store that week. I'm going to use a whole packet of prepared taco seasoning mix. The package calls for 1 packet for a whole pound of meat. I'm only using half a pound of meat, but I want that good flavor to season the pasta as well. You can make your own seasoning mix out of chili powder, cumin, garlic, onion powder, and oregano, but I don't have all of them on the shelf, and a packet of taco seasoning mix is inexpensive in comparison, even the brand name. Mix that well. Add 2 cups of beef broth, enough to cover the pasta. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bring it to a good boil, and add a cup of those pasta shells. Which brings us back to the original play on words, taco shells. Ha ha. So the shells need to be covered to cook. I added another cup of broth. And a can of diced tomatoes. They'll add some liquid as well. Cover that and let it simmer for the 8 to 10 minutes recommended. color and flavor come from jalapeno pepper slices. I'm not a fan of a lot of heat, so I chose a mild pepper. You do you. Slice it up. And add to the pan. I saved a few slices for garnish for later. Keep stirring so the pasta cooks through. Let's give it a try. Another 2 minutes should do it. Cilantro is an important part of Mexican flavors. Chop up 2 or 3 sprigs. The cilantro will be used as the garnish when served. It loses too much flavor if actually cooked into the sauce. Serve the pasta. Add the cilantro. It adds a nice green color. Add shredded cheese. And there's that decorative jalapeno slice. A good dollop of sour cream. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. That Mexican flavor really came through without a lot of work. Love it. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons oil, half an onion, 1/4 of a bell pepper, 1/2 pound lean ground beef, 1 packet of taco seasoning mix, 2 to 3 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of pasta shells, a 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 3 or 4 sprigs of cilantro, 1 small jalapeno pepper, 1/2 cup of shredded cheese, and a cup of sour cream.